everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about highlighting the Bible. So, recently I made another Amazon purchase, believe it or not, and I picked up the Message Bible. So, growing up, I always read in the NIV version, but I felt like the Message Bible would make me understand it a little bit better, so then later I can go back to the NIV and understand what the verses are saying. So on Pinterest, I made a board about different categories that I wanted to highlight in the Bible. So for example, like in here, I made 4 different little sections. So the first section that will be highlighted in yellow is anxiety, fear, and stress. For the highlighting in green section, it's going to be about friendship. And then in pink, about love and marriage. And then orange will be about strength. So really you can categorize it however you would like. I need to find my blue highlighter because I want to make another section. But on my Pinterest boards, I just have stuff about stress relief, friendship, love and marriage, and strength. And so it popped out with all these different verses for each category I wanted to look at. And so it's been fun going through each category and going back into my Bible and highlighting them. I feel like by highlighting parts of the Bible, whenever I feel like one of those categories, I can instantly just pop it open and find the color that I want, referring back to the phrase or word that I'm looking for. I feel like by highlighting parts of the Bible, it will help me look at it more because I haven't really been looking at the Bible as of lately. And so it will help me to use it more. So yeah, just thought that this would help you guys and be a fun way to look in the Bible and use some colors to categorize. Okay, well, if you like this video, make sure to like and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Feel like
I feel like
no. Okay, no. I